Hello. 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 All right. Good evening. Hope you're all fine. Yeah, it's another week and I'm here to bring out my analysis for the upcoming week. First of all, how did your week go? If it went well, kindly put or drop a comment under this video. How your week was. Was it good in trading or it was bad? Anyhow, it was, just drop a comment. I'm hoping that next week will be better. Yeah, so briefly, let's quickly look at what happened last week fundamentally, right? So, fundamentally, all right, so fundamentally, this was what happened last week. And the major news for last week was the non-farm and the unemployment rate, right? So we saw those news to be positive. They are positive basically because the actual is greater than the previous. I don't really compare actual plus forecast. I normally compare it plus previous. And this one too was positive because actual was less because unemployment rate has been reduced. And this one, hourly earning is negative. The reason is because previous was 0.5 and now it's 0.4. Right? So it's negative for that side. But overall, we can see that non-farm was positive. So since non-farm was positive, what should we be expecting? What we should be expecting is that dollar is going to gain some momentum, whilst dollar is going to gain momentum. Yeah, so meaning that USD SS is going to buy, whilst XAUUSD is going to sell. That's basically it. So we can see even on the estimated inflation, we can see that estimated inflation for the euro was reduced to 2.7%. And the year on year, this one too was also reduced. So clearly, if you are a currency pair trader, you should be looking for more sales on Euro USD, right? You should be looking for more sales on Euro USD, right? All right. So let's check what will be happening or what we should be expecting fundamentally in the upcoming week. Let me quickly start that one. So from 7th to 11th, right? So in the upcoming week, Monday is basically a bank holiday for the Chinese yuan, right? For me, I only take out the red news. I leave out the orange and the yellow, so only the red and white. So we have bank holiday. Tuesday, there's actually no bigger news. Wednesday, we have the official cash rate for the NZD, which is expected to reduce from 5.5% to 4.75%, right? Then we have the rate statement. FOMC meeting is also there at 6 o'clock p.m., right? This is going to shake the market. Okay, so on Wednesday, this is basically what is going to shake the USD pairs. And on Thursday, we have core CPI, which is expected to reduce to 0.2%. And this is monthly. And then normal CPI, for example, is going to, it is also expected to reduce to 0.1%. And also CPI yearly is also expected to reduce to 2.3%. Unemployment claims is there, which is expected to be slightly negative, right? Because for this one, if it is higher than this, then it is negative. So the GBP also have their GDP, which is expected to increase by 0.2%. Then Canada also have their employment change, which is expected to be positive here. negative here. Yes, right. Positive and negative. Then we will be having core PPI, which is expected to reduce, and normal PPI, which is expected to also reduce, right? So this is what we have fundamentally for the upcoming week, right? So basically, this is it. But in the upcoming week, what should I be expecting? Because of the previous week, dollar being strong, I'm expecting dollar to gain momentum or dollar pairs to gain momentum. So let's quickly jump on the chart and look at what is there, right? Let's quickly move there. All right, this is my trading view, right? Let me quickly start from DXY and look at what DXY is also printing. So first of all, let me look at my calculated DXY first. All right, for the calculated DXY, we can see that DXY has actually gained momentum after taking this liquidity. After taking this liquidity on a daily time frame, DXY is bullish. This is because this was an actual pullback, right? And then we broke structure here. Actual pullback, and then we broke structure here, and then taking this liquidity. Now we have a change of character here. We have a change of character here. So since change of character is and there is no clear fair value gap, maybe if in case of any retest, then this is likely where market is going to retest on this candle. If in case of any retest, right? So if in case of any retest, right, then we are expecting to retest up to this side and then further continuation, right? So that is it for this. And this is for DXY, the calculated one. I calculated this one. So let's move to the other DXYs, the main DXY by all right. So with this one also, so with this one, market is also in an uptrend here. So with this one, what did we see here? This wasn't a correct pullback. This wasn't a correct pullback. So the correct pullback was here in this one. Right, this wasn't. All right, so correct pullback was here, right? So here becomes our change of character. Here becomes our change of character. And if in case of any rejection or any retracement, then we are expecting a retracement on this order block or on this candle, right? That is for the general EXY renew. All right. So something like this and like this. So, all right, Rich, maybe it can also come to this side, but let's see. All right, so this is it for this DXY. Let's quickly move on to NAS 100. So for NAS 100, I told you we are bullish, right? Told you we are bullish, and I sent this setup to my VIP group, and we've bagged a whole lot of profits. So we were initially it was around here. Yes. market was around this side, and we anticipated that there will be a drop up to here. Then we look in for buys. So market indeed came here, and the buys were so sweet. From here, we are currently running up to here. So we are still in. But looking in here, on the 1 hour time frame, NAS 100 is bearish, right? So let's look at something here. Let me look at something from the weekly perspective. All right, so in the weekly, it is bullish, right? Here, tapped on this, right? So let's look at what's happening the daily time frame. So for daily was bearish until we came to the weekly order block before it became bullish, right? So now let's see. After tapping on the daily order block, I said block, and weekly order block, right? We saw something here. This is the change of character. And then there was a retracement up to this side. Perfect. Now we are expecting a move to the upside. So a retracement down, then there was a break of structure here. Right? So likely markets can come and then retest to this side before moving, but also likely for market to continue from where it is. So let's check something out. So currently bullish on the daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hour and see something. So 4 hours, let's see, pullback, break. Right. So now there was a pullback here, and the market currently took that pullback. Right. So what we are expecting now is that, okay, this. Okay. So now what we're expecting now is that market is currently bearish in 4 hour time frame, right? And looking at it here, it's a bit bearish here. It's a bit bearish in 4 hour time frame. So looking at it here, what we are expecting is that market is likely going to come to this zone again. So what should we anticipate? We should anticipate a drop, right? So now, since 4 hour is already bearish, then where am I looking to shoot, right? Let me take this side. Let's assume it has been tapped already. So now we'll have here as the liquidity. Sorry, as a bearish order block. So, right. So we check. So let me mark this here. Right. So here here is basically our H4 sell POI. And so this is our H4 sell, because looking at it here, market is likely to come here though, but okay, let me also mark this side. So here can also be our H4 sell POI. But this can also be our sell POI, but we are targeting from here. Because let's come to one eye and then look at something. All right, so one eye is making this more clearer. So it's either we can start shooting from here or when market breaks up here. So currently on 1 hour time frame too, it's bearish. So move to 15 minutes and look at something. Or 15 minutes is also bearish, right? So what we should anticipate is that we are expecting, yeah, so it's 5 minutes, 5 minutes that is still bullish. So 5 minutes is bullish, right? So what we should expect is that we want 5 minutes to start showing some sign of reversal. So 5 minutes should give us a change of character. Then we hop in as a sell. So currently on the daily time frame, right? On the daily, market is bullish, but coming down to 4 hours and the rest, it's bearish. So we are going to expect or anticipate a move to this side, a move up to this side, then we continue. So let's see what the market gives us on this one. All right, let me quickly jump onto Euro USD. All right, so Euro USD tapped in a very big order block, a very strong order block, right? So on the weekly, Euro USD is bearish on the weekly time frame, right? It was bearish on the weekly time frame. So markets change character here. Market change character here. And what we were anticipating was a tap on the POI. Then we expect a move down, right? And also, as we can see, markets came there, and now we're expecting a move down. We're expecting a continuation. So, meaning that here can be a long-term liquidity, right? Here can be a long-term liquidity. So, likely market is coming down here. So what should we expect? What we should expect is that we should expect, let me mark this. Right. All right. So we should expect market to move down. Currently, on the weekly form, we are bearish. I am bearish on Euro USD. Right. So, and also dollar also proved that we are going to be bearish. So now, let me remove this. Now, what am I anticipating? Currently, there is a change of character here. There's a change of character here. and I'm expecting maybe something like a pullback, maybe up to this, right? Up to this, then we expect a continuation downwards, right? But unless 4 hours proves that we are coming up here before we start to look for sales. So let's check something. Okay, 4 hours is still not proving anything. So we are still going down. Now, yeah, for 1 hour is also not proving anything. So we are still going down. Let's go to 15 minutes and see. 15 minutes also currently, let me see, a pullback and a fall. So currently, if here is broken, if here is broken, then we are seeing a change of character, right? So we anticipate, let's say, a tap on any of this other block. All right, so market just opened, So seeing some in here. So if here gets broken, then we anticipate a tap here, then we are trying to look for buys for the short term. So buys until market taps this POI, and then we get inside big, right? So this is just tentative. It hasn't really started. This is just tentative. So until market breaks here, this is not a perfect POI, right? So let me move on to pounds USD and look at what's happening there. All right, so for pounds USD, we can see that we were actually bearish, right? There was a change of character here, buying for a retracement, and we could see that markets really broke through that high, right? So for pounds, we are bullish. See, this is weird. Pounds USD bullish, Euro USD bearish. This is because Euros is currently weaker as compared to the pounds. So you can get a very good opportunity when you are trading Euro GDP. So Euro GBP is going to sell, right? Let's quickly check that. Euro GBP. Euro GBP is going to look bearish. Going to look bearish. So you see, Euro GBP is going to look bearish, right? Because the pound is stronger than the euro. The Euro GBP is going to look bearish. So on this other block, we are expecting here to be taken again. This is how it is going to look like. Yeah. Wow. So Euro GBP is looking bearish and it's going to look bearish. Normally, this is just an old way, my old way of trading. Right? So let me quickly go back here. That's all. So on pounds USD, unless this side gets broken, right? Unless this leg gets broken, if not, we are still bullish on pounds USD, right? We are still bullish on pounds USD. So what should we anticipate? Since currently pounds USD is on a daily POI and not broken yet, right? we should expect to see some kind of movement. So this basically is more or less like a perfect pullback. So we can expect a break of structure here, a change of character here. Then we will look for an order block. Maybe market can give us some order block here and then come and then tap on it, and then we expect a move to the upside, right? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and look at something. Yes, same thing. So we expect a tap or a break in here, a retracement or a retest, then we move up. So let's see 15 minutes. Same thing, right? Same thing. So we anticipated the market will come in and break here. We'll see a retest, then we continue to the upside, right? But currently, I'm not sure dollar will give any room for that, but let's see, right? Let's see. Let's see. So for pounds USD, I'm bullish in the upcoming, but for euro USD, I'm bearish, right? Let me check Bitcoin and look at something. Yeah, so GBPUSD, I didn't even check the 5 minutes. All right, all right. Okay, so so 5 minutes has given us change of character and then a retracement, right? It gave us a change of character here. It has given us a retracement that started moving up. So let's see what happens up there. All right, let's see what happens up there. All right, so let me quickly go on Bitcoin and look at what's happening on Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, let me start from the weekly. All right. All right, so we are still expecting Bitcoin to fall. We are still expecting Bitcoin to fall. So Bitcoin to fall. All right. So for Bitcoin, on the weekly perspective, Bitcoin is still bullish, right? But the sells or the falls we are expecting is just a retracement. So Bitcoin is bullish here. Let's check on the daily. Yes, on the daily, it's still bullish, but we are expecting retracement since it's not ready to move up 4 hour. All right, so for 4 hours, let's see. For 4 hours, Bitcoin is bearish on the 4 hour time frame. Because you saw here, it's currently consolidating because change of character, change of character here again, change of character, change of character, change of character, break of structure, change of character here again. Bitcoin is weird. So there's no clear movement for Bitcoin, only moving in a trendwards direction, right? Unless like moving downwards, small. So Bitcoin, we are still bullish on Bitcoin in the long run, but currently we are looking for sales, right? We are bearish in the smaller time frame. We are bearish on it. So let's move on to Penny Gold, my favorite pair. All right, so basically this will lead me to break down on what happened this week on the market for my side. So for my side, I didn't make a loss. Yes, I made profit, even though NFP didn't go as my prediction, but I lost only 50 pips. And during that, I resent a signal and then we made 200 pips, right? So I wasn't in a loss. I made profits on Friday. So what are we expecting on gold? So gold on the weekly time frame is bullish, right? On the daily time frame, it's still bullish, right? And not yet showing signs of retracement. If any sign will start from retracement, then we should be seeing, okay, let's go. So 4 hours, still bullish. We came down to tap on this 4-hour POI and we are trying to move up. So let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour is still bullish. So this was it. This was it. Let me break it down. So we had this setup on Tuesday. Okay, this setup, on Monday, we put this setup in my VIP platform, right? And gold moved up on Tuesday. We're expecting a drop in this POI again before we can move up, right? So we anticipated a sell onto market tapped here on Thursday. So it was the ISM news tapped here. Markets gave us some confirmation here, and then we reached 30 pips, and then we had 150 pips for this buys. So I was thinking, since market has tapped in here already, there's no way it can come back. That's why I was looking for sells in the NFP. But unfortunately, market retested the last time here because of NFP news brought it down here. And then we were stopped out at 50 pips. So market came in here, gave us a confirmation. I sent a signal, and then we boom 200 pips flat. So this is it. So currently, daily, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4-hour bullish, 1 hour is currently bullish. So what am I anticipating? I'm anticipating buys on gold, even though dollar is strong. For gold, because there is a war going on and then interest rate has been reduced, right? I'm bullish on gold. I'm bullish on gold until the demand for gold becomes less. Because currently, because of what is happening, people are hiding under gold to use it as a safe haven. People are now investing more in gold, right? So I'm still bullish on gold. So currently, what I'm anticipating is that market has given us a retest already. I have to go into the lower time frame and get a nice shot. So currently, for retracement, market has given us good retracement already. I'm not sure markets will come down here, but if markets, all right, okay, likely, but if market will come down in here, I'll look for confirmation and then shoot another shot, meaning that I'm targeting my bigger high up here and bigger high up here. So break of structure in 1 hour time frame. That's what I'm going to look at. So currently on 5-minute time frame, right? Gold change character to sell, change and has changed character to buy. So I'm currently anticipating more move to the upside. So I'm bullish on gold in the upcoming week, right? So on this note, this is what I have for you guys on this channel. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also like my video if it's insightful, right? So this is my good setup. This is what I'm trading, right? So I'm anticipating a move to the upside, and then yes, I'm still bullish on gold. So you can reach me on my Telegram channel, TMM department, which is money department. So you can come and download some free money there. All right, all right, all right. So that's it. Let me quickly look at something here. Here's the pounds. It's normally on the daily. The calculated pounds. Let me see. Right, so my calculated pounds on the daily time frame is actually bearish. Actually bearish. And there has been a retracement. All right, so likely bearish. So likely, but let's see. Since I'm bullish on USD, pounds USD, likely to be bearish on it. Maybe within the week, I'm looking at the price action. But for Euro USD, I'm purely bearish on it. So consider, let me check on euros and look at what's happening on it. It's euro. My euro calculated. All right, so euro calculated is bearish. Yes, euro calculated is bearish. Retest and then it's down. So euro calculated is bearish. So yeah, that's it. All right, so here's what I have for you in the upcoming week. All right, so I wish you all the best. Make sure you download some money on next week, right? We are going to make money, Christmas money for the upcoming week. In the upcoming week, sorry. We are going to do everything possible to make money. All right, thank you very much for tuning into this channel. Kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.